Hi everyone, my name is İdil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video we are going to make an amazing Turkish dessert called irmik helvası, which translates into semolina halva. It's very easy to make, you need very simple and few ingredients and it's delicious. It's one of my favorite desserts. So what we're going to do first is that we are going to melt the sugar in the milk. So here I have 3 cups of milk and I'm transferring this here. And to the 3 cups of milk, I'm adding a cup and a half of sugar. I'm going to transfer this to the stove top. And on low heat, I'm going to wait until the sugar dissolves in the milk. And this comes to a hot point. So here I've got another pan, and to that I'm adding 100 grams of butter. I'm turning the heat on and I'm waiting until the butter has been melted. Now that the butter is melted, I'm adding the semolina and I'm adding some pine nuts. And on low heat, I'm going to cook the semolina and the pine nuts for about 10 minutes. It is very important that you do this on low heat and you continuously stir for 10 minutes. It's going to give the actual consistency and the taste. So just be patient here. So I've been continuously stirring and cooking and stirring for the past 10 minutes. And now I'm going to add a zest of 1 lemon. You can do orange as well. And what this does is it brightens the taste. So I love it. I always go for it. That's perfect. And I'm adding some cinnamon, about a teaspoon. Giving everything another stir. And cinnamon combined with lemon gives us such a nice smell, such a nice aroma. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pour the hot milk over here inside of it. This might look a little weird, but it's gonna be super good. And we do want bubbles at this point. I'm going to continue to cook it for an additional minute or 2, just until it comes all together. This might look like it's a bit runny, but do keep in mind that what semolina does is that it absorbs the liquid, so it's not going to be runny at all. And once it's thick like this, I'm turning off the heat. I'm putting a lid on it and I'm letting it rest for 10 minutes. The heat is off. After 10 minutes, we'll continue. So good. 10 minutes have passed and now let's check it out. I'm going to give it a good stir. And as you can see, it's not runny at all. It's very consistent. And this is the perfect helva consistency. And this is a very, very traditional Turkish recipe. We serve this at weddings, at all the gatherings. It's as Turkish as this gets. And we usually serve it on a plate with like this, or what we do is here I have a bowl and I put some cling film inside of it. So I'm going to take a spoonful of the helva, maybe 2 spoonfuls. And with the back of my spoon here, I'm going to distribute it like this. Like this is perfect. And I'm putting a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Getting it inside and covering it with more helva. Again, do use the back of your spoon to even it out. And now what we'll do is that we'll take another plate, put it here, flip it over, some strawberry topping if you would like. And that to me looks perfect. Now let's give it a taste. And just look at that. It looks beautiful with the ice cream in the middle. It's perfect. The helva is so delicious with the pine nuts and the cinnamon and the lemon zest. And when it meets with the cold ice cream inside of it, along with the strawberry sauce, it's just divine. Do try it and you won't regret. And if you do try it, don't forget to leave your comments down below and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you next time. Bye!